Hello everyone. Today I'm not going to be really talking about any particular science, but I'm going to be talking about an instrument of science, and that is one of these super cheap pocket microscopes. This particular one I bought for $10, which is quite a good little deal, and it just comes in this little box. This one is made by Carson, but I feel like it's just this generic type thing, so doesn't actually matter. It says it's 60 to 120 times magnification. I don't really believe that, but it works definitely well. Has a little LED light, a little slider to zoom for mode, so that's 120 times, and that's 60. Then you got your focusing lens and your button for LED, and that's it. That's all you get. But it's actually quite a good little pocket microscope that I would definitely recommend. That's pretty much it. It's a short little video, and I will insert some pictures of them things. Great, thank you. Alright, now for some samples. So this is a 1080p screen zoomed up at 120 times. Now these are some very small carpet fibers. And finally, a close-up of some wood at 120 times. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Thank you.